So uh, here I want to tell you how to prepare your notes and what all to add in your notes, which will be the most important material in your last 12 or 15 days of your exam. So I will start with the notes. I will show you my notes and try to explain how you can also modify or add to your notes, and how you can make your notes more memorable, so that you can remember them easily for the subsequent revisions. So yes. Okay, so these are my notes. I've kept a few notes, 3-4 subjects open, to explain to you how I have written my notes, and how you can also try to modify and add in your notes. Okay, is it visible? Yes. So first I will start with medicine, which is the one of the most important subjects for NEET. So first, if this is my page of Parkinsonism, and after Parkinsonism I have written Parkinson plus syndrome. So everything in your notes should go in order. Like after Parkinsonism, there is Parkinson plus syndrome and rest of the CNS. So for Parkinson plus syndrome, first mark in your notes which topic is important. Like this is very 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 important. A stroke is it is the one of the most important topics in medicine is CNS. So I have highlighted it and marked it here on the heading itself. So mark all your important topics in your notes. This is not that important. Okay, this is important again. So I have marked, even this is very important, all your Wernicke-Korsakoff syndromes, and your Broca's and other syndromes. So first is Parkinson's plus disease. So here I have tried to keep it short, every syndrome short, and try to fit it in one page itself. Then the treatment is on the next page. Treatment which has medical as well as surgical treatment, so this is in the next page. This is for a better remembrance, right? So here this is multiple system atrophy. So it has two types, pyramidal and cerebral. So for pyramidal I have drawn a pyramid. Then similarly for CBD, that is corticobasal degeneration, here I have drawn, there is an alien limb phenomenon, so I have drawn a limb here. And I have tried to like make a question mark symbol for which is the most important word in that syndrome or in that particular topic. So I have made question mark or written it aside also. Then I have tried to integrate even pharmacology in medicine. So here, for example, in ropinirole is a drug of choice for restless leg syndrome. So I have written about restless leg syndrome here itself. I have added it from my Marrow module, one of the question banks. So I have written it in different color pen, and in that part itself which correlates with that topic. Then is the surgical part. So here also, for example, intractable tremor. For intractable tremor, you do deep brain stimulation of which part of the brain? It is the subthalamic nucleus. So T for T. So I have highlighted both the T's. And similarly, drug induced dyskinesia due to levodopa, globus pallidus, D. So everything is highlighted. Then for stroke example, first you should try to make your notes colorful. So this is the blood flow of the brain. This is not important, so I have made a cross here. It is not important, so that I don't read in the next revisions. But this was taught in the during the dams class, so I had written it, but then I came to know that this is not important, so I made a cross here so that I don't read it in the next revisions or waste my time. So this is here, and then I've tried to make columns wherever possible. And for hemorrhagic, it is due to blood, so I have colored it red. Hemorrhagic stroke and ischemic stroke. So here also, for anything related to veins, I try to write it in blue pen or color it blue. So this is IV thrombolysis using IV bolus or an infusion. So I have written it blue, in blue. Then for even here I have tried to make, this is a diagram of a penis, so we have to avoid urethral catheterization for more than or equal to 2 hours, because there is a risk of bleeding, especially in hemorrhagic strokes. Then highlight, be fast. Yes, in my notes I try to add MCQs there and there itself related to that topic. I write the MCQs, and whatever a conclusion I get from that, I write it separately with a question mark or a cloud or something. So this is very important. This has been asked in our entrance 2021. Colorful diagrams. Colorful diagrams, columns, rows. This is a face, this is hand, left to right confusion, and you cannot read and have finger agnosia, so I have drawn fingers, and even counting and left right. These two pages are from Quest. I had joined Quest for medicine in my final year. So it was mainly for concept building, and from those notes also I have cut 2 pages and added them in my DAMS notes for PG. So this is from my Quest notes, these 2 pages. Then I've kept a rubber band for clipping. For clipping and coiling. So this is mainly for coiling. It's like a coil, rubber band, and coiling is more preferred than clipping in subarachnoid hemorrhage. So this is for that. Nimodipine, it is like a Nemo, Finding Nemo wala. So I have drawn a Nemo here for nimodipine. See, here also I have added an MCQ, previous year MCQ, which was related to this topic. Then this I've kept a ribbon for the cortical ribboning, which is seen on diffusion weighted MRI on in CJD, that is Prions disease. So I have kept a ribbon, and this is mainly for cortical ribboning and diffusion weighted imaging. And in the variant type of CJD, it seems like there are 2 hockey sticks joining together. So there is hockey stick appearance of thalamus on MRI in variant type of CJD. So V for hockey stick. This has been an important topic, very important, because it is asked from physio point of view as well as in medicine. All the pathways, all the tracts. This I've colored brown for Brown-Sequard syndrome. Brown. Again a rubber band, because of spinal cause of paralysis, it has a band like sensation. at that level of injury. This is mainly a diagrammatic representation. This is one of the pages which was taught during my clinical postings of medicine in final year. So I found it important for PG as well. So I cut this page and stuck it here itself. Then yes, for CRS, medicine CRS is very huge, and in that I found only some pages which were useful, so I cut those pages and stuck them after the relevant topic. This is from CRS which I've cut and pasted. Fox Mary. Yeah, I even added COVID after medicine because there were many pages left in medicine book. So this is all about COVID and COVID vaccines. So this is medicine CNS part. Then coming to ortho, I try to put post-its for topics which are very, very important, and I need to revise them on my last few days of the exam. Again marked here, important. So here I have added my few of the pages from MCQ books as well, which I found important. I've kept them in my notes itself so that I revise them together with my notes. These are my TND papers. Every subject I keep the TND paper in that respective book. Yeah, even this is a TND paper of pediatrics, and here also I have tried to formulate some formula for weight, height, etc. So I make a box or something to signify that it is very, very important. Colored orange for fever, febrile seizures. Trisomy 13, she is a female, so generally a female, so pink. Trisomy 18, Edward is the name of a guy, so blue color. Kawasaki, it is associated with fever of more than 5 days, so 5. So Kawasaki is related with miscellaneous COVID syndrome in children. So I have made them, I've written them together side by side for comparison. Jaundice, so yellow. So likewise, I try to make my notes colorful and add more pictorial diagrams, and try to add all the sources, all the MCQ books or any MCQ which is important. I try to add it in that topic itself on the in the space which is above the first line. So I add the important MCQ there itself, or and also I added CRS important sheets in the book itself, and if there are notes from other classes which were missing in my notes, I added and stuck them to my notes itself. So in the end, my notes seem more complete and I am more confident with the subject. So this is all for notes. Thank you.